Welcome to Loft Spa, where we provide a sanctuary for your mind and body to unwind and rejuvenate. Our award-winning spa is located in the heart of Thailand and has been recognized for its exceptional service and attention to detail. Do you feel tired, stressed, or in need of some relaxation? Our busy lives often leave us feeling depleted and in need of a break. At Loft Spa, we provide a range of treatments designed to restore balance and promote well-being. From traditional Thai massage and facials to aromatherapy, our experienced therapists will tailor each session to your individual needs. But don't just take our word for it. We are proud to have been recognized by the industry for our commitment to excellence. Our awards include the top 10 Best Luxury Day Spa in Thailand and the Certificate of Excellence from L Beauty. Visit us at Loft Spa and experience for yourself why we are the award-winning spa in Thailand. Your mind and body will thank you.